Mason, you hungry? You're gonna try carrots for the first time. Alright, yours is cooling off. What's that? What do you think? Good?
No, it's not.
Oh, wait.
Mmm.
It's not yummy.
Stop jumping. You keep spitting it out. This is not my cereal.
Oh, open.
I want chocolate milk.
No.
Huh?
Let me give one.
What you said?
Come here.
Dum dum.
Milk.
Dum dum. Dum 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 dum. Ah. You're gonna need a bigger spoon. You gotta open, dude. Ah. 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 Mmm. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. My
He don't like carrots. He don't
Michael. You keep doing him.
Oh, you want more? Do you want some, Michael?
No.
You like carrots.
Open.
Yeah.
You want to try feeding him?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Oh boy, this is going to be interesting.
Big bites.
Just a little bit.
Big bites. Big bites. Big bites. They
Okay, give me the spoon. And we got to catch it. It doesn't see.
Good job, buddy.
That was a good job. Do I do it again?
yeah. Here, Mason. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Do you want some carrot food? Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Do you want chocolate food? He said no. Did I mean food?
Good job. High five.
Boy.
Alright. Alrighty. Good job, buddy. Enjoy your carrots.
Enjoy your poopy carrot.
No. And there we go. And so it begins. One more.
I want chocolate milk.
Alright, I'm getting it right now.